Una and the Starlight Seeds. Una was a young fairy with shimmering silver wings and curious purple eyes. She lived in a cozy mushroom house at the edge of whispering woods, where flowers sang lullabies and butterflies painted rainbows in the sky. One morning, Luna found something extraordinary in her garden. Tiny, glowing seeds were scattered across the soft earth, twinkling like fallen stars. Each seed pulsed with gentle light, warm to the touch and humming with magic. "What beautiful seeds," Luna whispered, carefully gathering them in her small hands. She had never seen anything like them before. The seeds seemed to respond to her voice, glowing brighter when she spoke kindly to them. Luna planted one seed in her garden and watched in amazement as it instantly grew into a magnificent tree with leaves that sparkled like diamonds. The tree bore the most delicious fruits she had ever tasted, sweet as honey and refreshing as morning dew. "Pea seeds are incredible," Luna exclaimed. "I must keep them all for myself. With these magical seeds, I'll have the most beautiful garden in all of Whispering Woods." She hid the remaining seeds in a special box under her bed, deciding not to tell anyone about her wonderful discovery. Luna spent the whole day admiring her magical tree and eating its delicious fruits. Days passed, and Luna's garden grew more magnificent with each planted seed. She had trees with singing leaves, flowers that danced in the breeze, and bushes that grew candy-colored berries. But something felt wrong. Luna noticed that her friends, Pip the rabbit, Melody the bluebird, and Finn the fox, stopped visiting her garden. They would peek through the fence with sad eyes, then hop, fly, or trot away. "Why don't my friends come to play anymore?" Luna wondered aloud. Her beautiful garden felt empty and quiet without the sound of laughter and friendship. That evening, Luna sat alone in her magnificent but lonely garden. Oliver, the wise old owl, perched on her fence post. His golden eyes twinkled with ancient wisdom. "Your garden is beautiful, Luna," Oliver hooted softly. "But tell me, what makes a garden truly magical?" Luna thought carefully. "The magical seeds?" she gasped. Oliver shook his feathered head. "Magic is strongest when it's shared, little fairy. The most beautiful gardens are those filled with friends and laughter. Your seeds have great power, but they're meant to bring joy to everyone, not just one person." Luna's heart felt heavy as she realized her mistake. The next morning, she gathered her remaining starlight seeds and flew to her friends' homes. First, she visited Pip the rabbit. "I'm sorry I've been selfish," Luna said, offering him 3 glowing seeds. "Would you like to plant these in your burrow garden?" Pip's eyes lit up with joy. "Really? For me?" When he planted the seeds, beautiful carrot plants grew instantly, with carrots that tasted like sunshine. Next, Luna found Melody the bluebird and gave her seeds that grew into a tree with branches perfect for nesting, with leaves that sang the most beautiful songs. Luna gave her last seeds to Finn the fox, who planted them near his den. They grew into bushes with berries that glowed softly at night, lighting up the forest paths so no one would ever get lost in the dark. As Luna flew home, She felt lighter and happier than she had in days. But when she arrived at her garden, she gasped in wonder. Luna's garden had transformed. Where she had shared her seeds with friends, new magical plants had appeared in her own garden. The plants from her friends' gardens had somehow connected to hers through underground roots of light. Pip hopped over with a basket of his sunshine carrots. Melody flew down with sweet nectar from her singing tree. Finn trotted up with glowing berries that tasted like starlight. "Look what happened when we shared," Pip exclaimed excitedly. All the friends gathered in Luna's garden for a magical feast. They shared the wonderful foods that had grown from the starlight seeds, and their laughter filled the air like music. As they ate and played together, Luna noticed something amazing. New starlight seeds began to appear wherever their joy and friendship touched the ground. The magic was creating more seeds. "The seeds multiply when we share them," Luna realized with wonder. Oliver the Owl perched nearby, nodding approvingly. "Now you understand, Luna. True magic doesn't come from keeping wonderful things to yourself. It comes from sharing them with others." Luna hugged each of her friends. "I'm sorry I was selfish. I thought having the most beautiful garden would make me happy, but I was wrong. The most beautiful thing is having friends to share it with." From that day forward, Luna always shared her magical discoveries, and her garden became a place where all the woodland creatures came to play and laugh together. As the sun set over Whispering Woods, Luna tucked the new starlight seeds safely in a basket by her door. Tomorrow, she would share them with even more friends throughout the forest. She curled up in her cozy mushroom house, her heart full of joy and her garden full of friends. The starlight seeds glowed softly outside her window, and Luna drifted off to sleep with a smile, dreaming of all the wonderful things she would share tomorrow. And in her dreams, the whole forest sparkled with the magic of friendship and sharing, just as it should be. Now, close your eyes and follow Sister Moonlight into a sweet dreamland. Good night, sweet dreams.